Just a bunch of kids with skateboards walking around San Francisco. People are looking at us like, what is happening here? You want that one? Yeah, go ahead. Oh, she's going. Who's next? Oh, they're pushing into it? Hey guys, okay, we have a very special project today. We're very excited to be here with Dave from Punisher Skateboards. And we're doing this really cool thing. There's this place in San Francisco called the San Francisco Skateboard Club. And they're super cool. They do all kinds of lessons and they have these camps where they take kids all over the Bay Area to different skate parks and they bring skateboards for these kids. And it's kind of interesting because not a lot of the kids where they go, the kids don't have skateboards.
Oh, really?
So Punisher is giving away 25 complete skateboards, and we're gonna go over to San Francisco Skateboard Club. We're gonna give the kids all skateboards.
Sounds awesome.
25 completes, and then we're gonna skate with the kids.
Let's do it.
Let's go. It's kind of a lot of skateboards when you think about it. Fit. They do fit. You know?
They fit?
Yeah, look at that. It looks very small in there, but it's quite large. We only have 385 skateboards left to fit in there. We'll see what happens.
Right?
That's all we can fit. We're gonna stick the other ones in my Lamborghini.
Giving away skateboards. Right on.
All right, we made it. We barely made it through the traffic. Now we're in the concrete jungle. It's crazy over here, right? Yeah. I mean, you're in Jersey, it's pretty crazy there too. So this is just one part of the shipment, one part of all the boards. The kids are inside eating pizza. I was gonna say they have no idea, but they do have an idea. Everybody knows. It's not a surprise. The best thing about this is this line into Popeyes. It's like, chill out. It's not worth it.
It's all just for a chicken sandwich.
Yeah, world's best chicken sandwich. My pants are fully falling off. And then that's the park up there. See that massive hill? SF Skate Club. They even have a sign. You filmed that dog? You had to. You had to get him. So cool. Youth program. Hey! It's Ella's friend! Give me the rock. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just hanging out? Don't be nervous. Come on. Hey! We got lots of cameras. You guys got pizza? Hey. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah, good to see you.
Welcome.
Thanks.
Did you guys make a video 15 hours ago, like Skate Everything Challenge?
Yeah. It was actually made like a week ago, but yeah.
I just watched it.
Just uploaded. Oh, cool. Thanks. Did you guys get some pizza? Skateboards.
Free skateboards.
Yes, sir.
Can I get an autograph?
Yeah. We can do that too. You want to come grab some boards? All right, come on.
My name
Yeah? Who's your first favorite YouTuber?
Basement.
Now we got a lot of people. Now it's easy to carry.
My name's Aaron too.
Good to meet you, Aaron. Kevin? Aaron? Kenneth? Kenneth, and then Declan? Eli? Good to meet you. Good to meet Patrick. Hi. Hi, Patrick.
Nervous.
Patrick, don't be nervous.
It's
okay.
the first famous skateboarder he's met.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Well, we'll have fun. We'll go skateboard. You guys go up here, right?
Yeah.
What's up there? Is that like a park? So we're gonna bomb the hill.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
How many boards do you have?
25.
You might be able to get one.
You can get one for sure. You're welcome. There you go. Yeah? Of course I forgot my skateboard in my car.
You didn't bring yours?
No. We're good. Look at this. Look at this clan. All right. Oh my God, look at this little boy. Yeah.
This kid's so cute.
You say what?
I watch you in your video.
You do?
Surprise.
Today's your birthday? Happy birthday. Yeah? How old are you? 7. Me too. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. Okay, you're right. I'm 8. What's your favorite video?
Yours.
But which one?
How to do an ollie.
How to do an ollie? That's your favorite one? Cool.
And you were talking in a video.
It's just so random. Just a bunch of kids with skateboards walking around San Francisco. People are looking at us like, what's happening here?
What's happening here?
We don't know. I don't know. That little kid is so cute. He has like the perfect beanie.
Yeah.
It's so cool. SF Skate Club. I love their sign. We don't even have a sign. You know? Isn't that cool?
Need a sign.
Super cool. What up? We didn't bring markers. What were we thinking? We brought markers. Don't worry. We brought markers. This is a cool board.
Oh, but he's not gonna go to the store and buy Sharpies.
We got Sharpies.
Thank
Don't
you.
worry. Don't worry. Yeah.
Can you
You're welcome.
board that I'm gonna get?
Yeah. I like this board.
Whoa. Whoa. Remember?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So who wants a board? Do we just get? Yeah? You want a board, little man? It's your birthday. You're gonna pick the first one. Yeah, go ahead. Whichever one you want. They're all different. You want that one? Yeah, go ahead. You can open it up. I'm just kidding. I think they're all the same. Go ahead, dude. There you go. It's his birthday, you guys. Can we sing him happy birthday? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Oh! You like that? It's almost as big as you are. Okay, who's next?
Me.
Go.
Yeah.
Other Aaron? Aaron 2, Aaron 1. Here. You need help? No, he doesn't need help, doesn't want it. They are all different. Oh, wow. There you go. Even better.
Pick this one. This one looks cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Go ahead.
Kenny, I want to see what your board is. All yours.
Looks like you.
I don't have any nails. Can you open this?
He doesn't even use his nails. He uses pure brute strength. Oh, there you go. Let's go.
That looks like something out of an anime.
Yep, straight up.
Yo. Aaron, this is Smith.
Hey!
Remember that, like?
Hey!
There you go.
Sign this, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pretty Gucci.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
This
Right
is
there on the
greatest
top.
day of my life.
Same. There you go. You're welcome. If I could have as much style as that kid, then my life would be complete.
Did you see the little tech deck talk that got in there?
Yeah. Super legit. So you a lot of skateboard history in San Francisco. What do we do now?
Go to the
I
park.
don't know.
Where is it at?
Probably Elmo Square.
Just over
Up there? All right, I'm following you.
There's a park up there? I bet, yeah. Well, no, not really, but we just used it anyway.
We'll just use it anyway. Is there like a crazy hill?
Thank you again.
Yeah, there's
You're
a
welcome.
hill, and there's like stuff and.
Chicken nuggets?
Oh no, isn't there a coffee van?
There's chicken nuggets at the park?
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to eat those. Let's go skateboard. The handboard?
Yeah, I think he's one.
And handboarders. These people. Have you tried a handboard yet?
No, I fingerboard though.
Pretty hard. I can't really do either. Skateboard, handboard, or fingerboard. Yeah, it's a hard life. We're gonna really bomb a hill like this? This is gonna be chaos. We're not gonna do that, right? Doing kick flips. Yeah? Right now? Man, you really put me on the spot. Okay, if I fall, then I'm blaming it on you, okay? Oh! I made it. Yeah, you will. It's only a kick flip. You'll get there. Look at him now, he's got the full pads on. Maybe we should do the stair set. Oh, there's literally a dog park up here. You're gonna be going nuts the whole time. Look at him going up the stairs.
I don't know how to stop. Dogs hate skateboards.
Dog bit your wheel? Dog wheel bite. Wheel dog. That's a wheel dog. This way? Yeah. Yeah? City Kid Jules? Cool. It's my name, Aaron Cairo. AARONKYRO. At Aaron Cairo. We'll have to get a picture for it later, okay? I'll live right across that bridge. Daniel's fantasy has just come true. A dog barking at a skateboard. Look at
So
that
many
view
dogs.
though, for real. Look at that, it's amazing. Maybe somebody who knows where we're going should go first. We're going that way? Oh really? Yeah. There's two versions of the hill. Oh, take me to the non-hill.
This is the better hill.
Take you to the flat.
The flat ground. Yeah, skateboarding hills in San Francisco is like the thing. Like that's what you do.
You go,
Generally, I try to not stay on any hill. What about you?
I go downhill.
You like it down the hill? Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's true. So when you're going fast, you don't kick. We should do a whole tutorial. What do you think?
Yeah,
This is the advanced hill.
this is the advanced hill. So if you go from here all the way down, you're good. But we're gonna start the kids at the bottom.
Yeah. Wait, does he ride down this?
He just went down his first hill 2 days ago.
Wow. These kids are all better than me. This is a good hill though, right? Because you can kind of go down and then go up and you're safe. And these are the famous houses, right? Painted ladies. Full house. Yeah, that's a full house right there. Which one exactly, I'm not sure, but they're the painted ladies. They call them the painted ladies. Oh, send it. You are ripping out there. Send it. That's amazing. Somebody out there is gonna send it. Oh, she's going. Who's next? Oh, they're pushing into it? Wow, this is San Francisco. You got it? You want me to help you? You good? Oh, he's good. Oh, bro, you killed it. You slayed it. Boom. You wanna go again? Yeah, let's go. You gotta watch that mud on the right. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Send it! Ah!
Oh, great, good job.
Let's go to the top of the hill.
Okay. Yeah, literally. Look at that. Oh my God! Stop! Let's
Oh,
go.
look who's going.
We're gonna catch him, guys. Have you ever tried to do a shove it?
Yes.
Can you do that?
I mean, I can do it not in the air.
Not in the air? Do
Yeah.
a shove it. Let me see. It's like 20 cameras on him. Okay,
Like,
okay.
I'm just-
I feel like I could teach you to shove it, but you got to be like really going for it. You want to?
Yeah.
Okay. So the shove it is where your back foot curls over the side and goes like this. Pushes back really fast. So try to do that. Just that motion. Your back foot on the side, backwards. Push it that way. Yeah, like that. Now really fast. What? First try. Good. So once you get that down, do it again. Give it another go. Good. Good. Perfect. So now the same motion with your back foot and your front foot when you're standing on there is going to just barely jump. Just a little bit. I know this is all together, so it's kind of a lot. Just barely jump here, so all your weight's there. And then this foot scoops back, and then you land. Okay? You got that? Okay, go over here. You're like in the bush, on the hill, down the stairs. Full house. Okay, you can do that. All you gotta do now is jump and bend your knees. This takes hundreds of tries, you know? He's like, oh, I didn't get it my second try. It takes tries though, it takes practice. Okay, beautiful. Now, you're just not bending your legs. So sometimes people think they need to like jump really high. It's not so much, but you do need to bend your leg because your leg's gonna go like that. The board spins under you, then you can land. Oh! Go! Stand right here. I'm the only part of San Francisco that's not a hill. Woo! Close. Right here. First try. If you land it right here, we'll give it to you first try. Bend it. Bend that knee. Oh my gosh! Now, that back foot, land on the board. You scared to land?
No, not really.
I am. It's okay if you are. first ever.
Yeah.
See, that's like when you land a trick for the first time, there's like a smile that you just can't, you can't wipe it off. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, you killed it. That was amazing. We're just out here saving lives every day. Just kidding. So a huge thanks to Punisher for donating all of those skateboards. That was 25 complete skateboards. They gripped them. Dave literally gripped them himself, put them in boxes, shipped them all the way across the United States just to give away to these kids here in San Francisco. So a huge thanks. Thank you so much, Punisher Skateboards. You guys can check them out at punisherskateboards.com. The link is in the description below. Let's go help some more kids learn how to skateboard. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, even you can learn how to skateboard. Like we taught that kid his first trick today, that could be you, and it could be today.